वेल हेलो कैसे हैं आप सब। आई वॉज गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स अराउंड द चाइना टेक ट्रैक कि भैया चाइना में कौन सी कंपनीज विजिट की, क्या क्या किया एंड क्या ये ट्रैक एक्चुअल में एनएसटी नहीं करवाई थी। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आप सबके लिए एक व्लॉग बनाया जाए जिनमें आई विल बी एड्रेसिंग ऑल योर क्वेरीज एंड स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट माई फेवरेट कंपनी विजिट JD.com. So stay tuned and watch till the end because इस वीडियो में आई विल बी कवरिंग ऑल योर क्वेरीज and our visit to the company JD.com. वेल क्या है JD.com? क्या ये चाइना की बड़ी कंपनीज में से एक है? वेल येस, इट्स एन ग्लोबल ई कॉमर्स टेक जाइंट। बट जब हम वहाँ पर पहुँचे इट वॉज नॉट ओनली अबाउट ई कॉमर्स, देयर वी गॉट टू सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ ऑटोमेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। इन्होंने अपनी लॉजिस्टिक्स से लेकर कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस तक सब कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी के जरिए बहुत ज़्यादा इन्हांस कर रखा है। व्हेन वी इंटर्ड देयर एवरीथिंग वाज सो स्मूथ एंड सो हाई टेक कि वी फेल्ट लाइक वी आर इन अ साइंस फिक्शन मूवी। वेल जब हमको पता चला कि हम JD.com जा रहे हैं आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मैंने JD.com के बारे में गूगल पे तो पहले पढ़ा था दैट इट्स एन ई कॉमर्स कंपनी, बट व्हेन वी वेंट देयर और हमको पता चला कि इट्स एन एम्पायर, दे वन ऑफ द लीडर्स इन लॉजिस्टिक्स, दे वन ऑफ द लीडर्स इन ई कॉमर्स, दे वन ऑफ द लीडर्स इन टेक्नोलॉजी इन चाइना इन क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. So I was very fascinated and very excited for the visit. There was one thing that really impressed me. That was their concept of dark warehouse or black storage, wherein उनके e-commerce के products जहाँ पे भी store होते थे, they were equipped with the latest robotic automation softwares and AI systems in order to enhance their workflow and smoothen out their system of warehouse management. This was the next fascinating part when we visited the data center of JD's headquarters. Literal वो NASA के space hub जैसा था, जैसे वहाँ से satellite monitor हो रही हो, बड़े बड़े screens लगे हुए थे, real time data लिख रहा था, real time map हो रहा था वो data on various graphs and they were using that data to analyze किस customer की कैसी requirement है. They were using complex AI algorithms to making the shopping personalized for each and every customer that was there on their platform. And we saw the real time footages of their dark warehouses जहाँ पे zero manpower है, completely automated using latest cutting edge robotics and automation using artificial intelligence. They had the latest cutting edge safety measures and safety gadgets even for their delivery partners, which shows that they are not segregating someone on the basis of their hierarchy. Their top priority is to maintain a healthy work culture so that they are able to retain their employees for a longer period of time. Well, so what was our outcome? Seeing JD.com's AI-driven logistics in action sparked an interest in smart tech innovation in the field of artificial intelligence along with supply chain management. Integrating and leveraging the power of AI and LLMs in warehouse management and supply chain management can be really powerful for the case scenario of India, where we are a population of more than 1 billion people, and optimizing it in such a way that it smoothens out the process and making it time efficient, power efficient can be a great and huge opportunity for me to be applying it in India. So that was one of the key takeaways that I had from JD.com. JD.com has made it clear that the future of e-commerce is fast, smart and personalized. It's not just about shopping, it's intelligent and personalized shopping that each and every individual has in order to enhance their customer experience on the platform. Talking about something that I would really like to implement in my personal life was, मेरा पहले से आइडिया था कि अब मेरे को किसी बैंक कंपनी में नहीं जाना है, as I am 1 year into NST and the exposure that I have had has diverted me towards an entrepreneurship culture. So even in my startup, one thing that I will take from JD and to the point, that is an healthy work culture. The work culture that I saw at JD was absolutely phenomenal. Each and every employee was willingly working hard, putting in extras because they were happy, and the company was equally and responsibly rewarding each and every one of the employees. Now, if I were to summarize my whole JD journey of visit in one line, that would be that JD has proved that innovation at scale is real and they have proved the item that is whenever we say sky is the limit, literally sky is the limit. They started just as an e-commerce company. They became the king or captured one of the leading positions in that. Then they shift to other domains, logistics, healthcare, properties, real estate, and they captured the topmost positions in each and every of the sector. Which is your favorite tech company? Do let us know in the comments, and do subscribe to Newton School of Technology, Rishod University's channel for more such amazing stories. Thank you.